Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to optimize your website for search engines. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in leveraging Facebook's powerful platform to enhance your website's visibility, improve search engine rankings, and drive organic traffic. Section 1. The importance of search engine optimization. SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, increasing its visibility to potential visitors. By improving your website's SEO, you can increase organic traffic, attract more visitors to your website through organic search results, reducing reliance on paid advertising. Enhance brand awareness. Make your website more visible to users searching for information related to your brand or industry. Boost website credibility. Signal to search engines and users that your website is relevant, authoritative, and trustworthy. Section 2. Facebook's role in SEO. While Facebook is primarily a social media platform, it also plays a significant role in SEO, social signals. Facebook shares, likes, and comments can influence search engine algorithms, contributing to your website's overall authority and relevance. Backlinks. Facebook profiles and groups can provide valuable backlinks to your website, improving its link profile and SEO value. Content sharing. Share high-quality content from your website on Facebook, driving visitors to your site and increasing its visibility. Local SEO. Facebook's local business listings can enhance your local SEO, making your website more visible to users searching for local businesses. Section 3. Optimizing your Facebook presence for SEO. To optimize your Facebook presence for SEO, follow these steps. Create a comprehensive business page. Complete your Facebook business page profile with accurate and up-to-date information, including your website URL, business description, contact details, and relevant keywords. Regularly share high-quality content. Share informative, engaging, and relevant content on your Facebook page, including blog posts, articles, videos, and infographics. Encourage engagement. Encourage interaction and engagement with your content by responding to comments, answering questions, and participating in relevant groups and discussions. Utilize Facebook groups. Create and participate in relevant Facebook groups to connect with your target audience, share your expertise, and drive traffic to your website. Run Facebook ads. Target relevant audiences with Facebook ads to increase visibility. Drive traffic to specific pages on your website and generate leads. Section 4. Integrating Facebook with your website. Integrate your Facebook presence with your website to enhance SEO. Install Facebook Pixel. Implement Facebook Pixel on your website to track user behavior, measure ad performance, and optimize your targeting. Embed Facebook feed. Embed your Facebook feed on your website to showcase your latest content and encourage engagement. Add social sharing buttons. Include social sharing buttons on your website to make it easy for visitors to share your content on Facebook and other social media platforms. Link to your Facebook page. Include prominent links to your Facebook page throughout your website, making it easy for visitors to find and connect with you on social media. By optimizing your Facebook presence and integrating it with your website, you can leverage Facebook's powerful platform to enhance your website's visibility, improve search engine rankings, and drive organic traffic. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and adaptation to evolving search engine algorithms and user behavior. Regularly monitor your website's SEO performance, analyze data, and refine your strategies to stay ahead of the curve and achieve your SEO goals.